What's up, YouTube, and welcome. Today we've got some fresh blueberries. So we're going to put them in some pancakes, throw them on the Blackstone Griddle with some eggs and sausage, and eat them all up. Stay with us. We're going to start with some sausage. We have two different kinds. We have the regular pork sausage for me, and we have turkey sausage for Linda. The thing that makes this comical is that the turkey sausage gets soaked in the grease from the pork sausage, so they get enhanced, let's say. Let's roll these guys around a little bit. Oh, this is looking good. That's looking good. There we go. Yeah, just what we want. A nice little crust on the outside. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Just perfect. And now let's get the poor little turkey sausages in with the flavor. There we go. It's not all bad, is it? You gotta help the poor little turkey sausages. So these are looking pretty good. Yeah, see how much better those turkey sausages look when they've been cooked in pork grease? Oh yeah, these need a little more over here. There we go. All right, come on boys, join the fun. Why am I doing this? No reason. It's just going against my parents' wishes, and don't play with your food. Okay, let's move these over here. The cool side, you can tell how cool it is. Get some eggs on here. Yeah. Error, I see it. Oh, nice. Oh well, that's what you get for trying to show off, I guess. Bound to happen once in a while. Don't let it slow you down. Oh, boy, oh boy. Bad day for eggs, I guess. Broken yolk, got an eggshell. But you know what? We're still under control. We're still looking good. A little black pepper. I say a little, that's not what I mean. I mean a lot of black pepper. We like black pepper. Let's get rid of this thing. Violator. And now we're going to pour on our blueberry pancake batter. So just one today for Linda. Well, that's not very round, is it? I'll bet she'll eat it anyway. Yeah, there you go. What's wrong with that? Nothing. By the way, the Blackstone is set to low, so we do have time to work our magic around here. There it is. How about that for a breakfast? That looks good enough to eat, wouldn't you say? Doggone it. All right. Let's get it plated up. Okay, off the griddle, onto the plate, and into the mouth. Pancake looks pretty good. All right, I will nobly take the broken egg yolk. Let's get these guys apart here first of all. All right, Linda's eggs. My eggs. And Linda's pancake. Boy, oh boy, that looks pretty darn good. Wouldn't you say? Ha! Egg, sausage, and blueberry pancakes. All right, let's see what happens. This is actually Linda's blueberry pancake. Linda, if you would hand me the syrup, please. Thank you. I am going to have a bite of it, and I did want to show you. Oh, your tragedy there with the syrup. All right. Thank you, dear. Let's see how this tastes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's really good.
You good?
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait.
There you go. Thank you. All right. I think I know how the sausage and eggs taste, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Really good. Nice crust, crispy crust on the outside, or crusty crisp on the outside. I usually try to eat turkey sausage with Linda most of the time, but every once in a while, you got to have the real thing. Or you want to have the real thing. All right. Let's get rid of this broken egg yolk first.
This pancake is
good.
great.
Yeah, pancake's good. Better than I thought it was going to be.
You can really taste the blueberries.
These are fresh blueberries. A friend of mine has a blueberry farm, and when I say fresh, I mean really fresh. These were probably in the ground a couple days ago, and they were picked with love from Whitney Ranch in Santa Barbara. All right, we're going in again. Well, here we are. It's a beautiful day, beautiful breakfast. Having a great time here. What could be better? And the coffee's good, but we're gonna need more. That's the key. If some is good, more is better. Yum.
This is really good.
It is good.
I particularly like the pancakes.
No, we're gonna have to try other berries in the pancakes. That's I haven't had blueberry pancakes in a long time. That tasted a lot better than I thought. I know. We should make some blueberry syrup.
All right.
That's what we'll do next.
I'll help.
Blueberry syrup. You may actually get to see Linda's face.
Maybe.
Maybe, you never know. She's been promising you her salsa, her pico de gallo recipe, and a few other things. So we'll get her on camera one of these days. In the meantime, this breakfast tastes pretty good, doesn't it?
It's great.
Good enough to eat.
I love your breakfasts. How good is it?
You stepped on my line. Good enough to eat.